Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna tell you what to do in case AFC25 is not opening in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because I'm trying to reach 10,000 subs as fast as possible, and it's free and you can always change your mind. First step, locate your gaming library, press on the three dots and repair. Still on library, press on three dots, view properties, open folder of your game location, and here locate FC25, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator, apply and OK. After that, open search and search for %appdata%, open it, and first on roaming here you have to locate EA and delete everything that is on EA folder, and after that click on appdata, go to local, and once again locate the EA desktop and delete everything from here also, and EA Sports FC25, and here you can delete everything apart from data, because if you are playing career or something, it will delete your saves. After that, click on repair once again and try to launch the game. If you are experiencing frame drops issues, I advise you to update your graphics card, because I experienced the same issue today, and after a graphic card update the game was fixed. But for no launching, those steps should fix your game. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I was Bas from BasTech. Until next time, have a nice day.